Okay, looks like we are live. I just want to check if I'm properly audible and visible. So I'm back to my studio after a week. So I need to check if everything is working properly. I don't know why every time my speaker is not connected. So let me know in the chat if I'm properly audible and visible. Do. I'm checking on LinkedIn. Where do I see the link? Hold on. So I'm not seeing any response in the chat. I'm audible. It says we are live. Okay, perfect. So on YouTube it says I'm okay. Even on LinkedIn, I can hear myself. That's perfect. The streaming quality is not good on LinkedIn. Not sure what is wrong. Anyway, ignore those things. So we are all set for our next quiz. So yes, this time also we are doing a quiz. I think this is the longest time or the most consistent we are going live every Saturday. That's good. And the thing is, last week I was in Mumbai. Today I am in Pune, back to the office. Next week again I'll be in Mumbai. Okay, there's a question. Why do you love Java so much? I mean, I like most of the languages, not just Java. There can be different reasons for this. Why you think I love Java is the first one. Most of the videos on this platform uh, are based on Java. That can be one reason. Second reason, most of the work which I've done in the entire career, most of my years I've spent with Java. Maybe that's the reason. And overall, the ecosystem of Java is much better than the ecosystem of other languages. But as a language, I love other languages as well. Start quiz so fastly. We'll try. I mean, the thing is, first, I want YouTube and LinkedIn to send this notification to everyone so that they will join. Because once the quiz start and when they join, they will miss a lot of stuff. So let everyone join. So we'll give few minutes for everyone to join. Computer network means what? So basically, whatever comes under the networking concept, it can be the routers, networking protocols, the networking hardware, all those things. And most of the engineering courses includes this concept. Also, even if you're a developer, you should know this concept. So that's why we are doing this. Okay, so there was a question. If you are from other countries like Nepal, Kenya, uh, can you get the prizes? If PayPal, so we have two requirements. One, we can send money through UPI. So, of course, in India, we can do that. Uh, I'm not sure in which country they accept UPI from Indian account. Next, we have an option of PayPal. So if you have PayPal access, we can give you that. Apart from this, we don't know other ways to give you the prizes. And let's see if you win, and we need to look out the options. If nothing works, we can give out the courses at least. That we can do. Okay, I got O grade in C, and hopefully I'll be fast and right. All the best, Rockstar. Okay, UAE and Sri Lanka. That's where the UPI works. I mean, the UPI may be working there, but the question is, if I have an Indian account, can I send through UPI to the international audience? That's my question. Never did that. Okay. Harmeet says your Spring Boot course is very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Options on Golang, a very good language, promising. My concern is just with the ecosystem. How to join the quiz? I will show you these steps soon. System design playlist is in making. So Akshay is doing very good with system design. So two videos already uploaded, more on the way. I think the team is editing the same video now. You will see that video coming maybe tomorrow. I think your video sometime stuck for a few seconds. Is it for everyone? This live is getting stuck. I will change my Wi-Fi network if that's the case. Okay, I think most of you are here. I will share my screen now. So anyway, we are looking good on LinkedIn. So I'm going to close the LinkedIn tabs. Give me 10, 20 seconds. I'm going to share my screen now. Share screen. I just want to share one tab. And here we go. So this is how you are going to join this particular quiz. So it's very simple. You just take out your phone and scan the QR code. It will ask you for the name and the email address. Now, why do we need email addresses? Because we are doing this quiz for the prizes. And if we have to give out the prizes, we have to verify your email as well. So join quickly. I can see 5 people already joined. Others maybe entering their name. Okay, we are getting joining very fast now. That's good. So by the time you're joining, I can take up some questions. Are you a Telugu guys? Yeah, so I was born in Mumbai, but my family belongs to Telangana. I mean, they came from Telangana, so I'm Telugu. Okay, sometime it gets stuck. Okay. But also the thing is, if I switch my Wi-Fi network, you will not be able to see me for a few seconds, and that might disturb this. Don't enter the quiz code. Quiz code is optional, so if you can scan this with your phone, if that is working, you don't need a quiz code. Quiz code is required if the scan is not working. In that case, open the browser, go to this link, which is alientux.com/join. Then it will ask you for a code. Quiz is not there on the Telesco app. Reason being, the Telesco app is outsourced, and this particular platform is we have built in-house. In future, the Telesco app will be also in-house, and at that time we are going to connect this. And this is what I was talking to my team. They were like, "Why we are building everything by ourselves? We can't just use it available things." This is the reason we want to connect everything. AP or Telangana? Telangana. Okay, so we'll start once we have 200 participants. I'm also going to share this screen in the chat in case if you're not able to join. So I've shared the link for the quiz in the chat. Just click that and you'll be in. Make sure that you are having both the access. Watch this video as well because I will give you some instructions. And if you have a spare phone, maybe take some phone from your family and join this quiz. I think in total we got 15 to 16 questions because my team has shared 15 to 16 questions. I don't remember how many they have added in the quiz. So we'll start once we have 200 participants. So 166 already, or 170 we have reached. Quick. Maybe you can also share this live link with your friends. They will join. It will be fun. Okay, people are joining, but number is not increasing. Maybe because some of you are dropping because of some reasons. What prizes for top 20? No, only for top 3 we have prizes. You can check the prizes or what are the prizes for first or top 3 in the description. Also, the top 10, we can give you some uh, discount for the courses. Can we attend quiz from laptop? Yes, you can. But I think phone will be better. It's fun on phone. Yeah, we need fun. You will get that. Hey, hi, good evening, Himanshu. Why are you calling me, sir? Himanshu is my friend from college. Okay, 184. 16, 187 now. Okay, 13 more to go. Then we are going to start this. I think one more minute where everyone will join. Four more to go. Come on, you can do it. What is the pattern of this quiz? This will be MCQs. And by the time everyone joining, you can. I want to know from where you are joining because I can see one from Sri Lanka here. What is your location from where you're joining this quiz or the live? Okay, why does Himanshu has a line in his name? Himanshu, we want to know why you have a line in your name. Okay, people are joining from Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Ethiopia, then Tamil Nadu, Dhule, Tirupur, Tirupati, Hyderabad, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Odisha, Meerut. That's good. Perfect. Haryana, Bihar, Vijayawada. Yeah. So in this quiz, you have to answer fast. So of course, the answer should be correct, but also speed matters. The faster you answer, the more points you will get. Last year, I got A in DSA Java because of you. Thanks a lot. Oh, thank you so much. This is what motivates me to make more videos. Here we go. So we are starting the quiz. We got 200 participants. And the first question, everyone, coming on your screen, but make sure that you give the right answer, but also speed matters. Okay, so do it as fast as possible. So the first question, everyone, coming on your screen, I will take a 5 seconds pause because that's the delay between this quiz and on YouTube. And here we go. Which protocol automatically assigns IP addresses? Okay, Himanshu says Mumbai Mahim. I'm member of Lions Club. Okay, makes sense. So let's see what you have answered. So most of you have answered it's DHCP, and that is correct. So DHCP is responsible to give you the IP address. So DHCP automatically gives devices an IP address when they join a network. DHCP server keeps a pool of addresses and assign one to each device so it can communicate on network. Perfect. Next question, everyone, coming on your screen. And as you can see, in total, we got 16 questions. And if someone wants to join the quiz now, you can also scan this QR code. And if someone from the team is watching this, maybe we have to place this QR code somewhere here because when I keep this open, this particular section, this thing is hidden. So if we can move this somewhere here, that will be great. Okay, Dhanraj says nice memes. Yeah. That's one thing the team has took the liberty without asking me. And that's a good thing. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Which topology uses a single backbone cable? I think the image makes sense, but it uses single backbone cable. That can be confusing. Let's see what you answer. And the answer is bus. That is correct. The bus topology. I think you can guess it by the image. So bus topology uses one main cable called a backbone that runs through the network. All devices connect to this cable. Data travels along it so every device can see the signals. Okay. But the question is it safe? Is it secure? Uh, okay. Anyway, so we got two questions done. Let's see the leaderboard, the interim leaderboard, and who is doing well. So Atharva is at top position. Good job. Then we got Sai, Prakash, Vamsi, uh, Sheikh. This name is not visible. Okay, we got Salman, Tarun, Sidhu, Nivey, and Vijayan. Okay, this will change based on the questions and how fast you're responding. Okay, Sai Kumar says rank 101. I mean, your job is to come in top 10 now. So work hard and, I mean, not work hard, but try to answer fast. Next question. The full form of IP. Okay, which tech you have used to make this site? Uh, as I mentioned last time, we'll have a plan for this. I will ask my team to come with me live one day and we can discuss this. Their challenges, how they have done it. I mean, I can talk about this tech, I can talk about how it is working, but they can only talk about the struggle. Okay, let's see what you have answered. So majority here went for internet protocol and that is correct. Time to go for the next question. The next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which OSI layer handles encryption and compression? And once you answer this, I also want to know what does OSI stands for. I mean, no points for this. Just enter that in the chat. Okay, time up. Let's see which layer is responsible for the encryption and compression. And the answer is presentation layer. Good job. That means you know computer network. Okay, Dhruv says, or sorry, Lokesh says, hi sir, I'm so happy I learned from your video. Only currently I'm working as a junior developer. Oh, that's great. Good to know that. Okay, let's search. I mean, we'll do it on other tab. OSI stands for it's Open System Interconnection. In fact, I I used to teach OSI layers. I used to teach computer subject when I was doing. I was visiting different colleges at the start of my career. It was fun. The schedule for quiz is 7 p.m. No, it is 6 p.m. So I mean, the first two, I think the first two quizzes we did at 7, but I realized 6 is better for me as well. Okay, let's see the leaderboard once more. Any changes here? Yes, there are changes. Now we got Prakash on top here. That's great. But Sai, Vamshi very close. And I think there's a tie for second position. Then we got Prasad, Vinay, Kanna, Salman, Gokulan, Pramanand, Parmanand, and Suchesh. Great. Okay, and Winston. Hey, hi, Winston. Good to see that you have joined. I hope you will enjoy the quiz. And you can join, Winston. So you can just take out your phone. If you are free, you can just scan this QR code. You can join the quiz. Can I see the participant list now? I'm just curious if Winston has joined. Okay, now let's move to the next question. The next question coming on your screen, everyone. And here we go. What does LAN stands for? The topic is the computer network. And that's a feedback I will give to my team. What if we can also show the current topic, what we are dealing with? Okay, so the LAN stands for, let's see what you have answered. That's local area network. I think this was easy. If someone answers fast, does he get more points? Yes, if you have answered correctly and that's correct and that's fast, then you will get. If you do it fast for the wrong answer, then you will not get points. Okay, so let's move to the next question. It's coming on your screen. Here we go. Which protocol converts the domain name to IP address? Okay, if you're not able to join, I'm going to share the link in the chat. Utkarsh says not able to join. Okay, time up. So which protocol converts domain name to IP address? And oh, you are good with computer networks. There's no negative marking. Don't worry. Okay. So DNS stands for domain naming system. So they are responsible to convert your domain name to IP address, because whenever you go to the browser, you enter the domain name. But if you look at the internet, the protocols, everything works with the IP address. I mean, at least the IP works with the IP address. And so we have to convert that. And that's the job of DNS. And that's why a lot of attacks happens on DNS. So let's see the interim leaderboard, and Vamsi taking the first position now, overtaking Prakash, but very close. Prakash, Prasad, Suchesh jumping from 10th position to 4th position. Anyone, did you see any increase in your ranking from the first leaderboard to this leaderboard? Okay, join quiz button is grayed out. That's weird. I mean, you have to enter your name and email address. I don't think after that. Let me try. If that is the scenario, even I want to check. If that's a scenario, that's a bug. No, I can see if I enter my name and email address, I see the join button. I can click that. Okay, next question. So we got 10 more questions to go. So the next question coming on your screen, everyone. Okay, by the way, Abhishek says rank 86, 107, 81. So, but from the last leaderboard, you're doing well. So next question coming on your screen, encapsulation means. And this in terms of networking, okay, not programming. Let's see the answer. And most of you voted for wrapping data with protocol headers. That is correct. Good. So encapsulation is a process of wrapping data with protocol headers. So each network layer can add its own control information. Perfect. Question number 8 coming on your screen. And here we go. Which OSI layer transmits raw bits? I mean, this should be easy. Even if you don't know networking, if you know logic, it should be good. I joined the quiz. How can I win any prizes? I'm very below. Or you just joined the quiz. In that case, you have to wait for next week, or you can still compete. If other make mistake and you are doing well, you might come in top 10. Okay, let's see the answer. And that's right, the physical layer. So the physical layer is the lowest OSI layer that sends raw bits over the physical medium. Perfect. Let's see the leaderboard once again. And Vamsi is still doing good, not moving from there from the first position. Prakash is competing well. Then we got Manjunath, Suchesh, Gokulan, Nikhil, Chandan, Prasad, Bhanu, and Subhadeep. Great. And very close. Ranking will change soon. I think there's a tie between for 8th position. Great. Next question coming on your screen. Here we go. Which device connects multiple computers in a LAN? This will be tricky, is because one device is dedicated for that. The other device provide that feature. Let's see what you're answering here. Okay, most of you said switch. That is correct. But then, yes, it can be confusing because router can also do the same thing. The thing is, router has a different mechanism. It's just that router has an inbuilt switch, if I'm not wrong. If I can recall my knowledge from 2012. That's when I was teaching computer networks. A switch is a network device that connects multiple computers in LAN so that we can communicate with it. Okay, next question coming on your screen, everyone. And here we go. How many layers are there in OSI model? This should be easy if you remember the first question, I think first or second question. The layers were there. Okay. 5-layer, there's a different model which has 5 layers. And I forgot. I think TCP/IP model, if I'm not wrong. Even I have to revise my networking concepts, looks like. Yeah, that's right. Thala for a reason. The answer is 7. Great. Thank you so much for the super chat. 3 bonkers. Thank you. So OSI model splits network communication into 7 distinct layers, each with specific roles in sending and receiving data. Great. Okay, someone joined the quiz. Someone who's joined the live, if they want to enjoy the quiz, you can also join through here instead of answering that in the chat. If I decrease this font size, okay, still hidden. I want to show this percentage as well. But if I, Saipi, Gaurav, if you're there in the live, take a note of this. Okay, next question, everyone. It's time for leaderboard once again. It's Vamsi, Prakash not moving, but Suchesh slowly from 10th position to 4th, 4th to 3rd. Okay, so Vamsi and Prakash, beware of Suchesh. Moving very fast. Okay, next question, everyone. And the next question coming on your screen now. Which topology has a central hub connected to all the nodes? And this is what happens when you have a lot of participants playing the same game. One wrong answer, rank sinking like a Titanic. That's right. Okay, let's see the answer. And the answer is the star topology. Okay. And by the way, how are you enjoying the quiz? I mean, the main reason behind this quiz is to relearn few things and try to see if you remember those concepts. Otherwise, you can spend some time revising those concepts. Yes, the plan is to conduct these quizzes every Saturday. And we are doing this from last 1.5 months now, consistently. Okay, Priyan says from 25th to 10th position. Good. This is how many people voted. 9% went for this, 10%, 20%. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. The port number of HTTPS. This can be difficult. Let's see. And let's see what you have answered. I'm expecting most of you or a lot of people have voted for 80. And yeah, so this is the correct answer, which is 443. 80 is a port number for HTTP protocol, not HTTPS. Yeah, the question should be default port number. Yeah. But then if you're not changing it, of course, I should justify. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard. And Vamsi still doing good. Top three not moving. I think Gokulan was also in top four. Few changes at the bottom. Tirupati says 8th position, but 8th is Priyansh. Okay, so we have 4 more questions to go. Okay, Karthik says next week we should be SQL. I mean, that's a good idea. Team, make a note of this. Next week we are going to do on SQL, in case if I don't remember. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Here we go. Which protocol is used to browse websites? The image should give you the hint. I think Python quiz we did last time. Next quiz, JavaScript. So let's do SQL, and after that, next week, JavaScript. Let's see the answer, and that's right, it's HTTP. Flutter quiz. It's just that we don't teach Flutter on this platform. So I'm not sure how I'm going to justify that, taking a Flutter quiz. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. Which device forwards data using MAC addresses? Okay, quiz on soft skills. The problem is, soft skills, we don't have a concrete answer, right? So I'm not sure how we should be doing quiz on soft skills. Okay, let's see the correct answer, and that is switch. And 49% voted for this. That's good. Okay, time to see the leaderboard once again. Any changes? Vamsi, Prakash. Okay, Suchesh, I think, made mistake and went out of top 10. It's Gokulan, who is at 3rd position now. Looks good. Looks good. We got 2 more questions. Let's see if these 3 can maintain their ranking. Very tricky. So the next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which OSI layer is responsible for routing? In the image, we are highlighting session layer. If that's the answer, team, we need to look at this. Image has the answer, if that's the correct answer. Which layer is responsible for routing? Oh, that was, okay, good job. That was not the correct answer. The answer is network layer. So the network layer decides the best path for data to travel between different networks. Okay, and the last question, everyone, coming on your screen. I hope you're all set for the last one. And here we go. What is the main characteristic of HTTP? Sorry, my bad. I was reading somewhere else, something else. The main characteristics of TCP. Where I read HTTP, I don't know. Or maybe I was thinking something else. Okay, time up. This should be easy because that's the biggest option. And connection oriented and reliable. Great. And now it's time to see the final leaderboard. Any guess who is the winner? I think the top three were Vamsi, Prakash, and Gokulan in the last leaderboard. Come on, what's your guess? I want to show the leaderboard. I want to know your guess. Vamsi, Prakash, or Gokulan? Or maybe someone else. Okay, Rotiwala says Prakash. Vamsi. Okay, let's see the final leaderboard. Most of the votes is going for Vamsi. And that's right. The first position is Vamsi Krishna. Second position is Thalari. I can't see your, I think, first name. And the third position is Prasad. I think Prasad was doing well. Oh, Prakash. Where's Prakash? Prakash was supposed to be second position, but I think they made mistakes. Prakash went here. Gokulan went here. Oh. Oh. Yeah, not Winston. What's your ranking, Winston? See, the index number starts with 0. So you're anyway first if you have not participated. Participated. Okay, what's wrong with me? Participated. Something is wrong. Okay, so the winners, you will receive a mail from the team and they will let you know the further steps. So how was the quiz? Enjoyed, everyone? Okay, one wrong answer, huge downfall. Okay, Abhishek 104, Winston, I think you joined late, so 229. And I think we need a winning speech from Vamsi. I mean, top 3 winners. We need a winning speech from you. It's like F1, one mistake and rank goes on vacation. Yeah. I know the answer, but choose wrongly. Okay. Happens. Oh, great. Chandana, okay. So Chandana, you will receive the mail from the team because we have your email ID. They will connect with you. Okay, at least give 11 rupee to all the participants. Oh. Oh, thank you so much, Ishan. Thank you. Next time, make it somewhat difficult and give some more time. Yeah, we'll try. ఒకసారి మీరు తెలుగులో బాగున్నారా అని ఆనంది అన్న. బాగున్నారా దినేష్? I mean, I can manage Telugu when I visit my hometown, but I'm not fluent. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for joining. Next week we are going to do it on SQL and then JavaScript. So no computer network now. It will be SQL. So prepare well for SQL for next week. You can win. So once again, thank you so much everyone for joining. See you next week. Bye-bye. Quiz timing, same 6 p.m. Hit the bell icon on YouTube, and on LinkedIn, do follow me so that you will get the notification. So ending the stream. Bye-bye everyone.